see, I'll go through all your assignments for your abstract art. I really like the first one. This is a very interesting composition. What I really like about abstract art is it's very spontaneous, and it has many things going around, yet it looks like a cohesive work. So I really like the spontaneous, strokes versus well thought patterns going around. I think this is a beautiful art, and you should practice more like this to let yourself open up in terms of applying strokes, colors, or it's a very good exercise to for controlling your hand movements, etc. Was for topic 2, you need to do a still life in an abstract manner. Let's see. Okay, so this was your photo reference, a good reference bit, and this is your abstracted. Okay. So I would suggest, the first thing that I see when I compare the photo with your painting is that the placement of the objects are almost at the same level and same distance, same size as in your painting. So here, what areas can you abstract? You can abstract the shape, the placement, the size of these elements. For now, the shape, the size and the color are almost same, so that will also work. It is like I said on earlier, that it is all about how abstract you want to push this particular art. So for that, it's okay for now. Now when talking about values, even though it's an abstract art, still the values play a very important role. So here you can see there are dark edges on the kettle or the cup, there are shadows falling down. So if you could add a bit more darker accents, so that each element is individually also visible, yet it is a part of this entire abstract art, that will also work. That would bring more interest to the painting. When I squint at your art, mostly I see lighter, middle and very few dark values. The darkest are the greenish red color here on these strawberries. So you could push a little more darker for this painting. Apart from that, I think it's working, and so it's a good semi-abstract painting. For the third one, we focused on I think portrait. Yeah, it was a semi-abstract portrait. So when we do abstract portraits, colors that we use plays a very important role. That not only symbolizes the person whom we are painting, the character of the person, or it describes the person, but it also, just a second. Okay. Okay, so it's your own imaginary portrait. Okay, so you like colors, you feel that you are a very colorful personality, thus you have used variety of colors. Now here there are 2-3 things that I want to bring in notice. First is we never use color directly from the bottle. This is the first rule that all abstract artists must learn, that never use a color directly from bottle. For example, the green here, the green in the bottom, and this particular reddish pinkish color, these are the colors that you have mixed. And the blue here and the yellow is directly from the bottle. So if you could have, add just a touch greenish to this blue, it would have connected these two portions and yet would become a new color to use for the portrait. Rest, the colorful portrait is fine, there's no issue. If you are not sure about drawing the features like you did here for this eye, this is completely fine to hide it. And try to use more colors, like not from the bottle but mixed colors. But as you said, I think for sure this portrait is showing your colorful personality. It has good value scale. It has really bright and light colors versus dark colors, which is very which is engaging, which is keeping me engaged. Like, there is a lot of things to look around, which is good, and I think it's a good portrait. It's a good portrait. I think the fourth assignment is one of my favorites. I really like the creaminess of your brush or palette knife marks, and the colors that you have mixed are beautiful. I really like this whitish tinted colors and versus like this cooler blue and brighter greens. I think overall the color scheme is beautiful and it has been painted beautifully. I like the variety of directions that the strokes are going around, and I think it's a beautiful painting. I like it. For the fifth assignment, you added more lines